Hi guys, DrawwithLaraChan here. Today we're going to be drawing an ox. This is in celebration of Chinese Lunar New Year, which is coming up this Friday, February 12th. So we definitely incorporated the ox here, and this is the Chinese character that symbolizes the word ox. And we have here 2021, and I have like a ray of sunshine coming out. So yeah, let's get right into it. Before we go right into our drawing, I do have a few facts about the Year of the Ox. So the lucky colors for the Year of the Ox is going to be white, yellow, and green. So I do encourage you to use those colors in your painting if you like, maybe making the jewels yellow or the green color. Definitely we do see a lot of white space, so that's cool. And next, some other fun facts about the Year of the Ox. We have Mr. Barack Obama, who is also part of the Ox. He was born August 4th, 1961. We have Vincent van Gogh, born March 30th, 1853. Woo! And we have Mr. Walt Disney, December 5th, 1901. So some facts for you. Supplies needed for today. We're going to be needing a piece of paper, 8.5 by 11. And as usual, we're going to make our grid lines. If you don't want to fold your paper, you could just make a line 4.25 inches, 4.25 inches, 5.5, 5.5 inches, and you could just use a ruler to make your lines. That way you don't have to get a dent in your paper. I know a lot of you guys don't like that. So that's a trick. We have a ruler, a regular cup. This is to trace a circle that we're gonna be needing. Sharpie, pencil, eraser, watercolors, and crayons. That's it. Let's get right into it. Now that we have our grid lines, we're going to start with the ox's face. It's going to take up most of our paper. So what we're going to do is outline the shape of the ox. So something like this here. Like a cone shape will be great. Like so. And from here, we're gonna have the ox's neck and the body coming right out, like so. And like this on the bottom part here. And we're gonna use this as our guide to build his face. From here, I'm going to start with its horns. So we're going to make a shape like so. So we just want to go ahead and follow that shape. So we're going to follow it from here. Okay, and this will be the top of the head. From here, we're going to do the other side as well, but this one is going to be coming from behind. So it will be something like this. Okay. Next, we're going to have his ears coming underneath here. So we're going to make a shape like this and attach it to where our guide is. So here we go. So that's the outer, and then do another one on the inside. Okay, and on this side as well, like so. From here, we're going to divide his face. So we have 1, 2, 3. So I don't really need to think about these guidelines anymore, the original guidelines. Where this part meets the second guideline here, that's where the nose is going to be. So we want to take up around like an oval shape around here. and I'm gonna make almost like a sunflower seed shape like this. And that's gonna be dark on this side and another one on this side. Okay. And from here, we want to kind of outline this area like so. And now we're going to go back up to the first line that we made. Here is where his eyes are going to be. So we want to put the eyes like a shape like this. And like so. From here, add a highlight. So white highlight, and we could go ahead and color in the rest. And on the other side, using the guide again, we're gonna have a little bit of the eye showing, like so. Okay, and color that in. So we pretty much have our important shapes in here. Now we're gonna build more of the details. So from here, we could add more layers like this. And maybe more on this side as well. And this nostril should be a little bigger than that one. So since it's closer, so let's go ahead and do that. Make it a little bigger. And instead of following it here, I'm going to make it come in a little bit. The ear should be a little bigger too, so here we go. And add some texture. Like so. Okay, and here I'm gonna make this area shadow, so I'm gonna go ahead and make a triangle, and that's gonna be all shaded here, black. And I'm gonna have 1 line, 2 line, 3, 4 coming down like this. And I'm gonna turn these into stylized numbers. So that's gonna have a 2, 0, 2, 1. And then from here, I also wanted to decorate his horns here. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I like to start from top. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like so. And that's the ear. Let's just make our lines a little thicker and darker. Commit to our lines. Here we go. And I want to actually have his tongue sticking up. Next, I'm going to grab a small cup and I'm going to make a circle on this corner. Actually, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, like this. Let's go ahead and trace this guy here. Ta-da! Okay, And in here, I'm going to write the Chinese symbol for ox, which will be written like so. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? From here, I'm going to use my ruler, and I'm going to start making a ray behind the ox. So let's see. I could start from here. 1, 2, oops, 3, 4. Next, before we color in the face of it, I want to add some decorations. This is completely optional, but I wanted to kind of dress my ox up a little bit for the Lunar New Year. So now we're going to use our red crayon and we're going to alternate. So this first one on top will be red. Next, we're going to be needing some water, paintbrush, and our watercolors. And from here, we're not going to use that many colors, but we are going to definitely use the red. So let's start with the red from here. Next, I'm going to use the black, and again, I'm going to give a generous amount of water, like so. And from here, I'm going to trace my writing like this. Perfect. And I'm going to be doing the same with my numbers here to give it the same type of a look. You can even add our lucky color green inside the 0. That will be a fun idea. I'm going to sign my work. And we're all done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like drawing with me, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Please don't forget to share your artwork with me, either on Instagram or Facebook. Can't wait to see it.